Hey Bestie, let's talk about how I plan to use the Kellofaplanner for 2023. Okay, Bestie, so when I first got this planner, I knew that I wanted to use it for something personal. It is such a beautiful planner, and I just knew that it needed to house something unique and something special to me. And so my idea behind this planner actually was inspired by its creator, Heather Kell from Kellofaplan. And I knew that she put her heart in her goals. This is a dream of hers. And so that just kind of inspired my usage of it. So let's talk about it. Okay. So when you open up this planner, it starts off and it just says, "This is your year," right? It just speaks to the whole, like, you got this, girl boss, go for your dreams type vibe, with this quote. So I just can't wait to set up this whole like name page for myself and everything. This planner is so pretty, you guys. Okay, so I also love that this planner is focused on 2023. It does not have any other years included in it. It's just 2023. So I really thought that was so unique and special. And I'm coming up with ideas for this page in particular, but right now what I'm thinking that I would do is kind of highlight the weeks and the days of things that I know I got going on, like those important dates, like birthdays and vacation, travel time, just things that I'm enjoying, things that I'm planning. I plan to like mark this out. So hopefully it's filled with a bunch of like good, amazing things. Okay, so for this page, I wanted to kind of set up something just like important to me. So, something that I was thinking about doing is like scheduling out our date nights. Now, typically, me and my husband, we go on a date night every week. But here lately, our schedule has been super busy. So, we've had to adjust that a little bit. And I want to use this page for like, my personal date night days, just to kind of like put it in your planner. I put it in my regular planner, but this is going to be my goals, my dream, like goals planner, like me, curating and organizing my life the way that I want, a life that I truly love, which is honestly, that's on the cover of this planner, planning a life I love. So it's like that's the vibe that I'm going with. Okay, so for the next page, now I always set a page like this in my planner up anyway. So the fact that she included that I thought was absolutely amazing. And what I will say, you guys, is this planner and my goal for it is to condense my planner down. So this planner is going to serve as a planner that actually condenses two sections in my actual Franken planner or my Disbound Happy planner. So it's just gonna work all together. So I'm super excited. I'm excited to get my yearly goals on this page and to actually break down my goals. It's actually 12 months of this. So I actually like that format too, that I can like set deadlines, you guys. Set deadlines for goals, like, things I want to accomplish in January, by the end of January, things I want to accomplish by the end of February, and so forth and so on. So that's what I was thinking for that page. And then, you guys, these dividers in this planner are so pretty, just absolutely stunning and just beautiful. I'm a floral lover, so that's probably why it speaks to me. But when I saw most of the dividers, I noticed how they're very decorative, but they also give you some free space to kind of like, do some things if you want to. So what I thought that I would do, on the months that are allowed, which most of them are, I would create some type of collage of memories. Now, I haven't really been that big or I shouldn't say big, but consistent with my memory planning. But I really want to be present in life and I really want to enjoy life. Great things are happening to us simultaneously as we go through life, and I believe what you focus on grows. And so I want to really commemorate those things and put them in my planner and actually get some pictures into this planner. I just can't wait to do that. So I'm hoping that I can create some fun little collages on this. And even if I decide to switch this up and do something like maybe a mood board for the month, I've been doing that a lot, actually on my tablet, so that's been kind of fun. But maybe like a mood board of some sort that I could do there, and do the memories here, some of my fun memories for the month as the month goes on. So I'm really, really loving that idea. Like, can we get into that? Like, this is so pretty. Okay, so for the next page, now this page has so many possibilities. There's so many things that you can do on this page. Whether you want to track things, you want to track your budget, you want to track your health. Like there's so many different options. But what I thought that I would do is instead of next year putting my goals on my currently page like I'm doing now, I would dedicate this whole page to just my goals. Now, I do have a goal section in my planner, and all I've been using for that section, I don't use a planner currently. All I've been using is just filler paper, and I just been tracking it, writing down my thoughts and things like that. But I think that this system, going from the yearly breakdown to every month, I break down things and I track things. I think that's really going to help me, and I'm super excited to just bring it all together and to every month. I guess you could say go back and see how far I've come. So and actually have that tracked in a more organized manner. Okay, so for this page, because I am going all goal focused and, just going after the goals in 2023, like I said, I want to be very intentional about my life. And one of the things that I want to incorporate more of, and I'm trying to give myself more spaces to do this, I already do this in my faith planner and in my creative journal. But I thought that I would use this calendar as a tracking system, and I would track out my gratitude. I would just do one grateful thing, like a little grateful thing that I'm grateful for, something very simple. Sometimes we forget about the simple things, so I want to be able to acknowledge those and really just enjoy this layout. Okay, or even things like I follow a girl that she does these pocket of peace little reels. Her name is Novella. Like I love that, so I just thought I would journal some of that down. So even if I do it that style, so gratitude or like something that just brought me joy throughout the day, I thought that this would be a beautiful space to do that in. Okay, and then for the regular weekly layouts, you guys, it is the vertical layout. And how I like to use the vertical layout is actually in my creative journal. So that's what I'll be doing. This is the second section that will condense in my planner, and I will be using this as my creative journal, y'all. So I'm super excited about that. Plus, I've really been enjoying the whole creative journaling process. If any of you are new and you aren't aware of what creative journaling is, it is the process of using a creative medium, whether it be stickers, it could be stamps, it could be like inks, it could be anything that you want to get to journal. You can make it a junk journal if you want to, excuse me. Or it can just literally be like how I use it, where you journal out your thoughts, and you can talk about things that happen throughout the day, like memory planning, that style. So I just have really been enjoying it and just coming up with creative and fun ways to motivate myself also in another planner layout. All right, and then for the last page, you guys, I thought that I would use this as a monthly reflections page. And I kind of do this now, but I really think that I want to, keep it consistent throughout the year and really track my progress. So it'll be kind of like I'm looking back on the goals and I'm checking in on myself. I'm checking in on how well I did with my goals. And my goals they range from anything personal, business wise, health wise. It could be just the fact that I want to increase my reading. So whatever your goal is in life, I think it's always good to set the goal. I think it's great to give yourself like a deadline if there's some type of timeline that you need to reach that goal. And then I also think that it's important to reflect back on your progress. Did you achieve your goal in the time frame that you said? And if you did or if you didn't, what helped you accomplish that, and what like hindered you? And I think all of those things that you track are so important. Just take some time with yourself, spend some time with you, and just really enjoy it. So that's what I plan to do. I really am excited because I feel like this is going to condense all of the things that I've been wanting to do, and I just haven't put the format in. And this planner just totally inspired me. It's so beautiful. I know I keep saying that, but I'm so grateful that she sent this to me. And if you guys want to get your hands on this beautiful planner, I would definitely leave the link below to see, to give it to where you can go and get you one of these Kellofapplanners. And Also, like I said, there's plenty other ideas that you can do for this planner. So if you have any questions or if you have any ideas, be sure to leave them below and comment below and let me know like what you're thinking. Have you thought about doing any of these things, setting up a planner like this? Let me know below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Okay, you guys, I want to thank you all so much for watching this little quick video. I want to thank you for being so sweet and so kind and always supportive of my channel and my content. It really truly means the world to me. And yes, until next time, you guys, I love you. Bye.